As I told in the previous video, nutrients are divided into macronutrients and micronutrients. Protein is one of the macronutrient. It is found in many animal and plant-based foods. Over the years, protein has been promoted as it is the main nutrient required by the body. However, it is a vital macronutrient and has many vital functions like body growth, maintenance, and repairing the damaged muscle. After protein consumption, it is breakdown into amino acids. Protein is the building block of amino acids. In a simple way, protein is the sequence of these amino acids. There are about 20 amino acids. Among those, 9 are essential amino acids and remaining 11 are non-essential amino acids. First, let's see what are essential and non-essential amino acids. 9 of 20 amino acids are called essential amino acids because your body cannot make them. You need to provide through your diet. And remaining 11 amino acids are called non-essential amino acids because your body can manufacture them. You no need to provide through your diet. Now you know what are essential and non-essential amino acids. What if your body is not getting adequate amount of essential amino acids? It's simple. Your body cannot make protein. So you should include complete protein source that has all essential amino acids in your diet. Now let's come to today's topic, animal protein versus plant protein. Animal protein is a complete protein where you get all the essential amino acids. Good sources of complete protein are milk, chicken, eggs, fish, etc. When it comes to plant protein, it is called incomplete protein because no plant-based protein has all the essential amino acids except soy. Soy is only one plant-based protein where it has all the essential amino acids. For example, beans. Beans are the good source of plant-based protein. Beans are low in one essential amino acid called lysine. Here we are missing one essential amino acid to make protein. To complement this missing amino acid, you need to add rice, which is rich in lysine. The combination of beans and rice becomes complete protein. Here are some plant-based complementary foods that make complete protein. Rice and beans, peanut butter and whole wheat bread, sunflower seeds and peanuts, yogurt and granola, oatmeal and milk, lentils and bread, macaroni and cheese, hummus with bread, chapatis with beans or dal, bean burrito. To conclude, both animal and plant sources have their own pros and cons. When it comes to animal source, it is easy to get all the essential amino acids from single animal product. But you may have high risk of getting diseases if you are not selecting the right animal source. Animal sources are rich in saturated fats, cholesterol, and nowadays these animal sources are made of many chemicals. So please select organic milk products, organic lean meat like chicken breast, and wild-caught fish. On the other side, when it comes to plant protein sources, it is hard to get all the essential amino acid, but you are getting vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and phytochemicals to maintain good health. If you are a strict vegetarian, try to add different plant sources and track down the amount of carbohydrates you are eating. To know how much carbohydrates to consume per day, watch my video on how much carbohydrates should we eat. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. And follow me on Instagram Karishma Arja and like my Facebook page BeFit with Karishma. Till then, bye.